Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello teacher. Hello friends.
Today we will learn to build a small story with the help of these words from 3-letter words of the an and am family of group 1 and group 2 letters. So children, let us practice these words with Monami. Monami, can you read the words?
Yes, miss.
Let us revise the 3-letter words.
Man. Ban. Can. Ran.
Well done, Monami. Now we will practice by saying the last 2 letters together. Okay, so let's start again. An.
Man.
An.
Ban.
An.
Can.
An.
Ran.
Excellent, Monami. Now in the same way we will practice am words.
Ram. Dam.
Yes, very good. Now we will pronounce last 2 letters together. That is am. Am.
Dam.
Am.
Ram.
Well done. Now time to build our story. What do you think the story will be about, Monami?
About a ram?
Yes, about a ram. And what about this man?
Yes.
Okay. So let us build our story about a man and a ram.
Yes, and it will be fun.
Okay, so let's start. A man and a ram. A man with a can and a new pan was walking near a dam. Suddenly, there came a big fat ram. The ram hit the can. The can rolled down the street. A boy named Dan ran after the can. The can got stuck near a wall of the dam. Little Dan picked up the can and gave it to the man.
Uncle, here is your can.
The man thanked little Dan.
Thank you, little boy.
Did you like the story?
Yes, miss.
Now let us read it together. A man with a can.
A man with a can
And a new pan
and a new pan
was walking near a dam.
was
Walking
walking
near a dam.
near a dam.
Suddenly,
Suddenly,
there came a big fat ram.
There came a big fat ram.
The ram hit the can.
The ram hit the can.
The can rolled down the street. A boy named Dan ran after the can. After the can. The can got stuck. Near a wall of the dam. Little Dan picked up the can. And gave it to the man. The man thanked little Dan. The man thanked little Dan. Thank you, children. You read it amazingly well.
It was fun to learn. Please, friends, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel. Bye.
Bye, children. See you in our next episode.